Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication on crypto.com. Step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the crypto.com app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner and select Security. Step 3. Under Two-Factor Authentication, tap Enable 2FA. Step 4. If you haven't already, download the Google Authenticator app from the Play Store or App Store. Step 5. Back in crypto.com, tap Setup next to Authenticator app. You'll see a QR code and a setup key. Step 6. Open Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon, and either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. Step 7. The app will now generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code into crypto.com to verify and complete the setup. Important tip: save your backup key in a safe place. You'll need it if you lose access to your phone. And you're done. You've just secured your crypto.com account with 2FA. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more how-tos. Thanks for watching.